Heart is filled with leaves, my fence is crumbling. We'll have to rebuild like New Orleans. They said on the TV, this wasn't meant to be. I'm leaving now for my own good. That's cool, but if my boss asks where I am, I'm gonna say I got drowned by a rainstorm, pelted by hard hail, got run over by a giant yellow snowplow. Help me, I got part of Sandy. I flew up in a strong wind, hit by a tree limb. The newscasters say it scares them. Help me, I got part of Sandy. And now I'm out of electricity. The school is canceled now. I'll have to see somehow if all my friends are still okay. And if we make it through, there'll be a mess for sure. I'm leaving now for my own good. That's cool, but if my friends ask where I am, I'm gonna say I got drowned in a rainstorm, pelted by hard hail, got run over by a giant yellow snowplow. Help me, I got part of Sandy. I flew up in a strong wind, hit by a tree limb. The newscasters say it scares them. Help me, I got part of Sandy. And now there's no electricity.